Alright guys, I picked this crimper off of Temu. That box out of the way. Comes with some different ends, different sizes. Don't look too bad. I haven't had this opened yet. Nothing, probably nothing fancy. Got a little weight too. Nice thickness. I think it'd probably be alright for whatever you're doing. Yeah. I only bought this because it was cheap. I mean, it was like 16 something. So, you know, I figure less than 20 bucks. Will I ever use it? I don't know. Maybe. It's got different things there. Different sizes. There's the number. What the hell that is? Looks like they gave me some some crap with it. I don't know what the hell that is. Open that baby up. Yeah, and this is how you apparently, I'm not sure how they turn. Oh, you got to push in on them. Okay. Get different sizes. Just match up the size you want. Do your thing. And then crimp it down. Now, will I ever use this? Maybe, maybe not. I guess that would line up a little better. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, it feels pretty heavy duty, but I figured, I may use it one of these days. Test it out. I ain't got no wire thick enough to crimp right now. I gotta get some more wire, but then I'll give it a test run. Not sure what that is. But like I said, I only paid 16 something. Might as well say 17 bucks. I figured I can go out and spend $20 on a scratcher, and within 5 minutes I've lost 20 bucks. So at least I got something to show for this. Alright guys.